channel TK World Food. In today's recipe we are going to learn about baked custard. Custard, a combination of eggs and milk that when cooked will produce a smooth pudding-like mixture. First, basic ratio 3 eggs to 1 cup milk will give you a very firm, moldable custard. Yolks can be substituted for whole eggs to give you a richer, softer set custard. All custard needs to be strained before baking to assure a smooth custard. Baked custard are baked in a bain-marie or water bath to insulate the custard and even out the cooking temperature. It is best to cover with an inverted sheet pan to aid in the baking. When a baked custard is overbaked, synersis occur. This means that the protein strains in the white have become so tightly wound that they begin to squeeze out the liquid instead of bounding with it. Visual characteristic of this is a custard that rises, air holes in the custard, and a watery custard. Now we have the types of baked custard. Cream and caramel. A sweetened custard baked with a caramel on bottom of the dish. When it is cooled, the custard is inverted and the caramel turns to a sauce on top of the custard. Cream brulee. A rich sweetened custard, yolks and heavy creams. It is baked in a shallow dish and cooled. When cooled, sugar is placed on top and caramelized or brewed. Potato creme. A rich flavored and sweetened custard, it is baked in ramekin, bread pudding. Sweeten the custard with the addition of stale or roasted breads and other garnishment. It is baked in a large baking dish as you see in the picture. Sugar crockery. Sugar and water are combined and cooked at high temperature to produce syrups and caramel in desserts. As the sugar and water is cooked, the sugar evaporates at different increments as the temperature rises. It will do through several different stages: thread 20 to 20 degrees, soft boil to 40 degrees, hard boil to 60 degrees, caramel 340 degrees. These are named after the parents of the sugar when a small amount of is placed in cold water while the sugar is boiling. Now we have the dessert sauce and frozen dessert. Dessert sauces. Dessert sauces contribute flavor and a moisture to a particular dessert. Frozen dessert usually begin as a dessert sauce. Dessert sauce. A crema. A classic dessert sauce, versatile, can be on the basis to ice. Chocolate sauce, different types, hot and cold, 2 methods of make. Most well known is ganchi, chopped chocolate and boiling hot heavy cream over it. Dessert sauce. Caramel sauce starts with the preparation of caramel, which is sauce cooked to 320 degree. After making caramel, you must add liquid to prevent it from turning into the candy. Hard cream and water are often added. Fruit sauces easiest to make. Most popular are raspberry, strawberry, mango, apricot, mixed berry. Mixture of the pureed fruit, simple syrup and lemon juices. Place fruit in blender. Some fresh fruit need to be cooked first to be sure to strain. Frozen dessert. Frozen desserts are popular in every type of restaurant, McDonald's to fancy plant restaurants. Includes ice cream, sorbet, sherbet, granite and many other types. Ice cream. Most popular frozen dessert begins with a creamy and glassy base, just of higher fat content, made with ice creams maker and ideally stored at 90 degree. When adding chunky ingredients to ice cream, you should add it when the ice cream just leaves the ice cream maker when it is still soft. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share, and do try all the recipes. Stay blessed.